Hello guys, this is Rose Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A stroll outside on a sunny day, it's a great ecotherapy for me. So what is ecotherapy? It is also known as nature therapy or green therapy. It consists of exercises, both mental and physical, that are designed to incorporate nature. The end goal is to improve your mental health. Just like regular therapy, the benefits of being in a natural environment. There are so many ways to get back to nature and improve your mental health, which I will be sharing on my next video soon. If you need help with your mental illness, always talk to a therapist. Most of them will support you in ideas of gardening, which I always do. I plant herbs or flowers. Also, getting a pet so you can walk with your dog outside. Or you can also go to camping. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video for more ecotherapy tips. Goodbye! Hey, thanks for watching. Drop a like and leave a comment if you enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe on my channel and hit that bell button. Thank you for watching. Take care always, and I'll see you on my next video.